Hello guys, welcome back to another video. These are the top 3 reasons why I do not buy used Nerf guns. Well, the first reason is, 1, you don't know if the gun was if the gun had issues, if it jammed a lot, or if someone just doesn't like it. This is one of the guns I accidentally bought used. I don't know why, but it wasn't a good idea. And let's just see what happens. See what I mean? That's the reason why. That's the second reason why. I just shot myself in the face. Because it wasn't coming out. Also, safety tip number 1. If it gets jammed, don't load it and aim it at your face. Because then you're just going to shoot yourself in the face. Like I just did. There it goes again. That's number 1. Number 2 is, you don't know if someone modified it to the point where it's so loud that... I don't know if you can hear that, but it's really loud in here. Same thing with this one, don't buy one of these really overpriced ones used, come on guys. There, not even the first try. And second off, when these guns get jammed, it gets very frustrating. Really? And second off, when you have a gun that gets jammed, don't keep slamming it into the thing. Because then that's just going to turn the dart into a mess. And it's going to turn it into these. And Nerf darts can be expensive if you want to keep them have good maintenance. That's reason number 2. Wait, did I even state a reason? Oh. I might have, I don't know. Anyway. Yeah, just I wouldn't really buy them used because, sometimes, if something breaks, they'll sell it and say it's perfect condition or something. Or they'll list it as, a bit of damage or whatever, but it's still gonna impact the gun. If you keep getting jammed, then you're gonna get mad, especially if there's no returns. If it's, if you're gonna buy one used, make sure that, you get, that it's just free returns, okay? I just shot the light. But yeah. So, again, don't buy them used because if there's something wrong with them or if they get jammed or something. And also, don't buy expensive used ones like these because... See? I'm loading it. It's not even doing anything. There. But yeah, if you look in the thing, See a little bent part right here in the middle? Yeah. That must be from going. Because then that can damage your gun. And two, if you're going to buy these, make sure they have accessories.